Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. We're going to be making ribeye steaks. I'm going to be doing this on my CalmDo electric smokeless grill. If you don't have a electric grill, you can do this in the cast iron griddle or on the stove top. You'll find all the ingredients in the description box. So I have my ribeye steaks here. They're still pretty cold. So the ribeye steaks, the pack was like about almost 2 pounds. And these are close to about ½ inch thick. You can use whatever seasonings you want. If you don't like the spices that I'm using, just change it up. So for the seasonings, there's really no measurements. We're just seasoning the outside literally to taste. So I'm using smoked paprika, using kosher salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and I'm going to use my tongs to give them a flip, and then we're going to season the other side the same way. But before we add the seasoning, we're going to pour with some liquid smoke so that can soak down into the steaks. If you don't want to use liquid smoke, you don't have to, but liquid smoke really gives us a nice smoky flavor, especially since we're doing this on an electric grill. So after that, the liquid smoke, just season it the same way with your spices. And then I'm gonna just let this sit. I'm gonna just sort of cover it a bit and just let this sit and allow it to sit for about 20 minutes, just so it can come to room temperature. So the steaks have sat for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna put this on my grill. I got it preheated on the highest temperature. You want your grill to be between 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Also, please help me out by hitting the thumbs up button. So after I place this on the grill, I'm not gonna press them down or anything of the sort. I'm just going to let these go on the grill for 10 minutes per side. Now, you want to adjust the cooking time according to your likeness of the steak. If you want the steak to be medium rare, you just need to cut the time in half. So it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and give them a flip. Look at those beautiful char marks. Okay, now I'm going to let this go again for about 8 minutes because I'm going to wrap these up and put them in the oven for a few. So we'll be back. So my steaks are done. I'm going to go ahead and pull them off, and I have 2 pieces of foil that I've just folded together because we're going to create a little pouch with it. Set the steaks on that foil. So now that I got the steaks in my little foil pouch that I'm making, this part's totally optional. You can just wrap them up and put them in the oven to finish baking them to your liking. But I'm going to use some marinade. So you can use steak sauce or whatever you desire. I just have some sauce that I have on hand. I don't really buy this type of stuff, but I have some of this on that I just need to get rid of. Going to take an onion, let it slice and put it on top. If you want to do both sides of your steak, you can with the sauce, but I just want it on top because I want to still be able to taste the steak. I don't want my steak to be drowning in sauce. So now I'm going to put this in my preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 12 minutes. I just want to sort of let that marinade, that sauce thicken on the steak a bit, and also for the onions to cook. So I'm going to place this into a pan. So my steaks are done. I'm going to let them sit for about 5 minutes before I open them up. So my steaks have rested for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and open them up. That looks really amazing. Please hit the thumbs up. Please Please help me out and hit the thumbs up and leave a comment. I serve this with pasta and a side salad. So I'm going to use a butter knife to cut into this so you can see that it's tender. It smells amazing. Look how easy that cuts. Like barely like any effort. It smells amazing. So let's give it a taste. It's so tender and so delicious. And I love the char on the outside. I love the flavors from the sauce. I mean, it's really delicious. And I love the onions, how they're cooked but still crisp. Such a great combination. Please, please, please leave a comment down below. Share this video, add it to your playlist. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified of my uploads. Please remember to live and be well, and let's do what we can to come together and love each other.